Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Knowledge Technomin. In this video, I am going to show you how to debug an Angular application via Visual Studio Code. This is my simple Angular to-do list application which is running in my local machine, which adds the task and deletes the added task. In VS Code, we can debug this in two ways: by launching a new Chrome instance or by attaching to the already running Chrome instance in remote debugging mode. For doing this, we need to add and use the configurations in launch.json file in VS Code. Now we are going to debug this Angular app by launching a new Chrome instance by adding launch Chrome configuration in launch.json. Here we need to replace the port 8080 to 4200. You can see the below terminal in which this application is actually running and listening to the port 4200. Start the debugger and set a breakpoint and add a task. Now you can see the debugger stops at the breakpoint and you can debug the application. Let's see the other way. Now we are going to attach the debugger to the already running Chrome. For that, we need to add an attach to Chrome configuration in launch.json. And need to start the Chrome in debug mode by adding the remote debugging port 9222. Now access your application and attach the debugger. Oops! It's showing timeout error. To solve this, we need to kill other Chrome instances which are not running in debug mode. Let me do this again by starting the Chrome with remote debugging port, and I'm trying to attach the debugger again. That's how you have to debug your Angular app which is running in local machine. By default, Angular application runs in 4200 port. If you want to run your application in custom port, then please watch the video in the description to know that configurations. That's all guys. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe the video. Thank you.